Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Lawn and lawn mowers go hand in hand, but there is a bit to consider with regard to both. You want to ensure you're getting the best result when mowing your lawn. In this video, we'll share some tips. The right length of grass is critical for plant health and weed minimisation. So make sure you know the height that works best for your lawn variety. Generally speaking, this will be between 10 and 50 millimetres for most common grass varieties. Mowing regularly and in different directions encourages the grass blades to grow straight. This creates more room for new blades to grow, ultimately thickening up your lawn. You should also never remove more than 1/3 of the leaf in any one mow unless you're dethatching. Rain is great for fertilising, but not so good for mowing. Mowing when it's wet can give you an uneven cut because the mower tears the grass blades rather than cuts, leaving an uneven edge. This can give a chopped look to your lawn, so wait until the lawn is dried out after rain or irrigation before you mow. You can maximise your lawn's health in the shade by raising your mower a notch or two when you get to the shaded areas. This gives the lawn a great surface to absorb what sunlight is available to it. During the really hot months of summer, it's best to keep your lawn that little bit longer to reduce stress on the plant. This will ensure the soil temperature is cooled, reducing evaporation and making sure your grass stays cooler for longer. To get the best cut, it's important to keep your mower blades in peak condition. You can drop your mower into a service centre or you can do the maintenance yourself and replace the blades when required. When it comes to choosing your lawnmower, there are some great options to pick from. The traditional petrol-powered rotary mower is affordable, powerful and easy to use. It's great to use on all lawn types. Battery-powered rotary mowers are also getting really good with technological advances and are a great alternative to petrol mowers. Petrol-powered cylinder mowers are great if you want a short, fine cut or if you want your lawn to appear well manicured. If you've got a smaller patch but you want the same finish, you could go for a hand-propelled cylinder mower, which again is a great alternative to a petrol-powered one. Or if you don't want to mow your lawn at all, you can look at something like this, which is a Husqvarna robotic lawn mower. Now that your lawn and your mower are both considered, you can take your lawn mowing results to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to catch you next time.